is that as we have this technology, it actually helps us to grow our business and feel confident. And that's a lot of times where this joy comes in. And it is really fun being able to use AI. And from my personal experience, as well as some of my students and other business owners have been saying, I get all this stuff done when I use AI. And these things, especially the writing that used to be very daunting to people in your business. Oh my gosh, what's my bio? What's my, list of things? How do I describe my product? How do I describe my services? What should I put into this group program that I want to have for people? Well, AI can help you with all these brainstormings. And that's also where not relying solely on the AI, though using the humanness and our unique voice, that's not going to go away. And so when you infuse the two of them, that's where you're going to get some really awesome results.